Hi, welcome to this week's video blog at MonsterMortgage.ca. My name is Kristian Harris. Last summer we reported, many of you obviously heard, that ING was purchased by Scotiabank. They purchased ING and its assets for over $3 billion, which was big news here in Canada. And at the time, this was the end of summer this happened, we really didn't know what to expect and we were just kind of waiting. It was business as usual with ING. Well, it looks like the bank has sped up this transition, this purchase, effective next month, February 16th. You'll no longer be able to acquire an ING mortgage through the broker channel. What does this mean to consumers? Well, to existing ING consumers, it doesn't mean anything. You have a mortgage, it's fine. I think what it means overall in general is that what the bank is trying to do is morph ING into Scotiabank. We believe that Scotiabank didn't buy ING because of their model. We believe that ING was a thorn in all of the bank's side for over the last 15 years. When they came into the marketplace, they didn't have branches, but they were online, which is not anything exciting or new today, but 15 years ago it was. And basically they operated totally different than a bank. They paid interest on your savings rather than charging you to have money with them. They offered low rates on their mortgages and basically took in deposits and lent out money with mortgages. And their rates were always a bit more competitive than the banks, and their terms and conditions were more favorable to the banks for a lot of our clients when it comes to breakage of penalties and prepayments and stuff like that. So it does look like, Scotiabank, we don't want to speculate, but our guess is that Scotiabank is buying ING not to keep them as a separate entity. Our understanding is that the name will no longer be here, that the ING name will not exist in Canada, so it will be some sort of Scotia channel, and whether they even have reference to it or not, or just dissolve or take over the portfolio and keep it, we don't know. But what we are assuming is that what the banks didn't like about ING is not what they're going to keep going. They're going to morph them into what the banks do, and a lot of, obviously, our banks have posted rates and discounted rates, and some of their penalties to break their mortgages are very high. So I know for a lot of people this is discouraging to not have ING in the marketplace. But when it comes to the mortgage business, there's a lot more lenders who are like ING and are not like the bank. ING is very popular; it's the one that people know about. But at the broker channel, through our network, we have 10 to 15 lenders just like that you may not have heard of, but offer similar features that ING did when it comes to discounted rates, not having posted rates, when it comes to prepayment penalties or breakage fees. So don't be discouraged. For you ING existing clients, you have a great mortgage product. For clients looking to get into the marketplace now or their mortgage is coming due, there's still more options than just having the big banks give you money for a mortgage. Be sure to call us to look at all the options and all the lenders, all the products, all the features that are available. Thank you very much.